So let's going to see about the internet protocol. We can start with a short story. So we just imagining the internet in a giant global city. In the global city, the millions of peoples and houses, offices, shops, etc. They've been having. So each building needs a unique addresses. So it's a just for example, if we delivering a letter from one place to another, so the place the receiver will receive the letter. How they going to receive the letter means we will give one unique address. If we consider the one area, if we choose any one area, the area will be completely, the many peoples will be many names. If we choose any one xxs, the xs name will be around 100 people who have been there in the same area. It was a date of birth way. Anyhow, there will be a mesh. But by using this IP address, by using the other address, the unique address will delivers the data to them. So for that, for delivering the data, what the first process we have to do is we have to do an envelope, and we have to tie a our data as a packet, and we have to send to the post office, and the post office with the post office we will put deliver, we'll put in the post box, and that letter will be passed to the next for the sender. How they will deliver means they will check the addresses, name, area, pin code, and where it is. So this is the certain rules should be followed to deliver the letter. So if it is not putting certain, we should not follow the rules, or we are just putting that the name without pin code, or we are not putting the correct name means, or father name, anyhow the letter will be not posted. Sometimes somewhere it will be collapsed. So this is the same format which is used to in the internet protocol. So many peoples continuously using the network, but so each people's having their unique addresses to deliver the letters. So in the same way, every devices is connected to the network. So your laptops or anyhow, whatever we need to do or transfer data from one place to another, they need a unique addresses to sending the information. So that is called as the internet protocol. So when we are using this internet protocols, what is the purpose of internet protocol is means you deliver the letter. So when before delivering the letter, we are just typing the message. It will be divided into, or it will be break into a packets, and each packet will be formed as a small envelope, and each packet is stamped with the source addresses. So and the destination addresses will received by the receiver. So I was said that as post office, no, that is here it act as a router. So router acts like a post office, examining the addresses and dedicating the fastest route. So it will be choose, if we deliver to the post office, and it will be choose, and the letters will be thousands of letters, it will be passed immediately to the destination. So same concept is applied in this is internet protocol. So this internet protocol is a set of rules the governing the format of data sent over the network and to the local network. So in functionality, it provides the unique addresses and devices, and allowing them to identify the device in communication with the across the network. So here the version of the two main version of IP addresses are IPv4 and IPv6. So in the IPv6 are introduced in the accommodate growing number of connected systems. We already discussed about the IPv6. So in IPv6 journey, that is in one case study, Google for basic we have used the IPv4. In IPv6 we are used in mid of 2000s. The Google realized that service, that search engine, Gmail, YouTube, that way they used by the Googles were being accessed by millions of people. They were not seen, and this IPv4 system is not could sustain this growth. So too many addresses have been occurring a day to day. So every services worked on both IPv4 and IPv6. So they introduced the Google or could automatically serve them by using the IPv6. So the totally today over 40% of Google traffic in worldwide runs in IPv6. So next is IPv4 overview. So this is actually considered of 32 bits, and here the IPv6 introduced in the 128-bit space. So the transition challenges is IPv4 to IPv6 is poses challenge, which include the compatibility and infrastructure updates. So next is key feature of IPv6 addressing, packetization and routing. So IPv6 and IPv4. So already we have seen in this address system of the digital world, the IPv4 built the foundation, but but IPv6 built billions of devices coming on the online every year. It was new enough, and also the cities also cannot without addresses like that way. The IP address, the internet also cannot live without the IP address. So next is importance of IP address, IP network. So this is interoperability, scalability and connectivity, importance of IP address. Then future of internet is going this emerging trends and security enhancements.